Hey there, HVAC warriors and comfort seekers. Welcome back to HVACknowhow.com, where we turn complex cooling and heating mysteries into straight-up knowledge gold. I'm your host, Bea Spino, and today we're tackling the million-dollar question. Or should I say, the several $1,000 question. How much does a new HVAC unit really cost? Listen up, because this is one of those wish someone had told me this earlier moments. After years in the field, I can tell you that new HVAC units typically run between $4,500 and $12,000. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's quite a range. Hold up, this is where it gets really good. The real cost depends on several key factors, and here's where most people's eyes glaze over, but not us. Think of it this way. Your HVAC system is like buying a car. You've got your basic model, your mid-range option, and your luxury version. But plot twist. The most expensive isn't always the best choice for you. Knowledge bomb incoming. The price tag gets influenced by your home's size, the unit's efficiency rating, we call that SEER, and here's what separates the pros from the weekend warriors, whether your existing ductwork needs work. Trust me, we've all been there, looking at quotes and wondering if we're getting the full story. Pro tip coming your way. The sweet spot for most homes is a SEER 16 unit. Boom. There's your light bulb moment. This efficiency level usually pays for itself through energy savings within a few years. And just like that, everything clicks into place. Now, here's a little insider secret I'm about to drop on you. Timing is everything. Installing during off-peak seasons, think spring or fall, can save you hundreds. And getting multiple quotes? That's not being cheap. That's being smart. To all my HVAC family tuning in, here's the bottom line. Budget for around $7,500 to $10,000. But remember, this isn't just a purchase. It's an investment in your home's comfort and value. Sometimes the simplest answer is hiding in plain sight. The right system for you isn't always the most expensive one. Don't let anyone tell you this stuff is too complicated for you. When you're shopping for a new HVAC system, focus on three things. Proper sizing for your home, a SEER rating that makes sense for your climate, and a reputable installer who doesn't push unnecessary upgrades. This has been Bea with HVAC Know-How, heat, cool, and everything between. Until next time, you can discover more HVAC morsels at HVACknowhow.com. Stay cool, stay informed, and remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your comfort.